Okay, New York session done. Just a quick video before my Asia session in about 10 minutes. Took one trade on NAS, two trades on NAS. Breakout reversal signal day, that's when a price breaks out above a higher time frame peak and then closes below, faking it out as well as faking out the previous day high. So we broke out of the previous week high here, faked it out, and then I'm looking for a fake out continuation from up here. So here's yesterday's fake out level. Faked out the previous day high. So this is a fake out level, bullish above, bearish below. Coming into the session, we have the H8 breakout level here. So as long as I'm below this, I'm okay taking a sell. One thing I didn't like was we have the day breakout level right here. So in between here, we usually have mixed bias. But overall, I liked the fake out of the previous week high. So I was looking for high of the day sells. So NY equity open around here, I see that price has already faked out the H8 high. I dropped down to the lower time frames, went to the M1. Price broke out of the M15 low right here, pulled back, and then once it started to fake out the M1 high, I started to look for entries here, and I went in on the continuation of this move. So got in like this, and then at the breakout level, I was aware of where the breakout level was. As price got down to here, I went break even, and then ended up getting a break even trade. So didn't take anything off this. Got break even. I was looking for a move down to the previous day low. So first trade on NAS was break even. After that, patiently waited on another setup. Didn't get another one until it came back up and faked out the M15 high right here, as well as the H8 high again. So once I saw this happening, then I dropped down again and entered as price went in my favor. So here's the breakout level. Was looking for a closure underneath this. Got one here, and I entered as it continued down. So again, tight stops, and I attempted it again to get down to the previous day low. And once again, when it got to the breakout level, I went break even. And when it started to reverse, I ended up exiting. So around here, this one, when this M1 bar took out the last M1 bearish breakout level, I ended up exiting. So I took about 6R on this. I don't think I took 6R. I must have. I think I got in maybe slightly lower or something. I took about 5R on this one. Or maybe I exited higher. Yeah. So didn't take 6R. I took about 5R on this one. And yeah, that was it. So I exited because it was close to my levels, and also around these fake out levels from a couple of days back. Yeah, and that's it. So that's the only trade I took. After that, I ended my session, and I think there was news at 1 a.m. So didn't want to hold anything or wait for news. It's a bit too late for me. So I picked NAS over the others because, well, I also liked US 30. US 30 gave me the same thing. We have a fake out of the previous day high, and we have the breakout level here. So I actually had more space on US 30. The only problem was that it didn't give me a setup. Um, yeah, I was looking for a previous high to fake out to take it down, but instead it broke out of the previous low instead. So this is a more of a breakout move. Wasn't looking for this. It kind of just went too fast for me. So didn't catch the US 31, and I didn't look at the SPX one because to me it was bullish. It was a breakout day. Had a here's the daily breakout level, and I think the week or my previous week high we're above that. So to me, SPX was bullish. So I wasn't looking for a sell setup on this. And at 8:30, we were up high. So didn't want to take a sell on a market that I concluded was bullish. Um, yeah, so that's it. Only took one trade on two trades on NAS break even, and then what was that, 5R on this one, and that's it. So now doing the Asia session, I've already done my watch list. Um, Gonna look at the Nikkei. No signal day on Nikkei. This one I'll get ready for London. And that's it. Did not trade gold. Didn't see anything on gold yesterday. Oil. Yeah. I mean, I didn't. I just focused on NAS and that's it. But oil, I would think this would have been a nice sell from over here, faking out the H8 high. I would have been targeting previous day low and looking for going break even around this level. Yeah. So did not take that. Only took NAS, and that's it.